Hello guys and welcome to my new Unity tutorial series. So once you have created your new project, go down into the descriptions below, and use the link to go to my website. Once there, you can buy this asset for the low price of $999.99. Okay guys, once you have imported the assets, let's make a new script. Okay guys, once you are in the script, just type in this longest block of code. Basically, it makes your game run, and makes your computer do stuff. Oh, and don't worry about it, totally isn't a virus guys. Okay guys, this wraps it up for this video. Remember to like and subscribe and buy my courses. They're in the link in the descriptions below for the low price of $1,000. Okay guys, and welcome to episode 2 of the tutorial series. I did some off-camera work, but basically guys, I did a little bit of bug fixes and stuff. And now we can just run the game, and we made Carlson.